Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. So, I want to ask you something. Can you just describe your best or worst trip you ever took?
So I'll tell you about my recent trip to Pashupatinath in
Okay.
Nepal. It
Okay.
was my best trip, so I'll talk about the best.
Okay.
So I took this trip with my uncle, and he invited me because he travel a lot, and this time he wanted to travel to another uh, ling.
Okay.
Said what we say it is. Jyotirling. It is
Alright.
Jyotirling.
Okay.
So it is one of the Jyotirlings, and in this trip he invited me uh, because he wanted a companion who can drive in hilly areas.
Okay. So,
And
it was a car ride, right?
yes, it was a road trip.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
in this trip, his family was there, and I was included. And in starting, we first went to our hometown from Delhi,
Okay.
and from there, which is in our hometown is in Bihar. So it is
Alright.
close to Nepal border.
Okay.
So from there, we started the journey
Okay.
to Pashupatinath through road, and
Okay.
in plain areas my uncle and my brother also drive, and in the hilly areas I only drive because maybe I am better driver compared to them. And
Okay.
in starting it was also difficult for me because I never drive in hilly areas. I drive a lot but in plain areas.
Alright.
So over there it was also a new experience for me. And in the very initial part I was making some mistake because the local who were driving in opposite side of me, they were staring at me like I have made a mistake. So
So, basically, you were breaking some traffic rules.
yes, because over there they strictly follow traffic rules, and there is no divider in the hill areas. There is one road, and
Yeah, that is a tourist place, no? So, that's why they
yes, sir.
keep track on the traffic rules.
Yes, yes. No, but usually if you go into the city as well, they follow the rules. You
Okay.
will see it is the cities are like foreign countries. It is very clean.
Okay. So I want to ask you something that you traveled in a religious place, that is Pashupatinath. So maybe you felt something new or something very good energy at that place.
Yes, definitely. When I entered into the temple, I can feel how the aura was. There was a different kind of energy. It was very good, and I felt it. While I was entering in the temple, I was thinking of my future and well wishes for my family as well.
Alright. So can you just tell me anything new you tried in food in
No,
Nepal?
no, we were ordering our regular meals. We were ordering kadhai paneer and kadhai paneer and shahi paneer because were visiting only Indian restaurants.
Okay. So the trip was good. You love the road trip. So yeah, we get very less time with our family members. Getting time from a busy schedule like us. So like from college or this busy schedule, getting a good trip is a very nice thing. And you just elaborated with a trip that is in a religious place. So that was really good. So I just want to ask you something that. Can you just elaborate more about this trip other than road trip, or you have chosen some snacks like Indian food only? So anything new?
The new was or the place was very good. If you visit also, you will find that it is very clean city, and everyone is following all the rules
Okay.
for traffic.
Oh, all right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for talking.